My family and I are here at Erewhon Supermarket. It is one of the most expensive markets in Los Angeles. They have a beautiful entryway with fresh flowers. They have an amazing hot bar with vegan, vegetarian, gluten-free options. They even had something for the Daniel fast as well. You can get a plate from $19 to about $27 if you want to get the beef. $17 smoothie, which is strawberry cloud. They have $14 granola, $14 eggs. These are prepackaged, cut up vegetables. $8 to about $15. You can usually cut this up yourself. Camel's milk, $22. Duck fat, $22. Beautiful, pristine produce section. They have portobello mushrooms for $5.99 each. Okay. Cookie dough, $19. We had a fabulous time, and valet